Hello everyone, I am Diveshri from Degree 3rd year. I am here to briefly explain Telecom Amendment Bill 2023 which is in news recently. In this, I am going to discuss why the bill is in the news, what are the issues in the existing laws, what are the government initiatives related to telecommunication, what are the provisions, significance, challenges associated with the Telecom Amendment Bill 2023. So, why is it in the news? Recently, the Union Minister of Communications, Electronics and Information Technology aimed to replace existing laws, including the 138-year-old Telegraph Act. So, now what are the issues with the existing laws? First one, they are outdated. According to the report of TRAI, there are 76 outdated provisions in 1885 Act, which is a serious concern. No provisions for these platforms. Like in OTT, there is no regulation on OTTs, so we need provisions on these platforms, and there is a net neutrality violation. So the next concern is addressal of new era. As we are changing day by day, we need to upgrade from ourselves from 5G, 6G, and other emerging technologies. And in the recent days, India is getting more digitalized. So 49% of Indians use internet on the daily basis. So another issue is regulating cyber crimes. Although laws exist to punish crimes, no laws to prevent cyber crimes were there previously. So according to Crime Report in India 2022, the crime rate was 48 per 1 lakh. So there should be regulation on OTTs. What are the government initiatives regarding telecommunication bill? So the government initiatives are PM-WANI, Prime Minister Wi-Fi Access Network Interface. The main aim of this scheme is to provide easy access to books and study materials online. Next, the Bharatnet project. In the Bharatnet project, it focuses on nationwide broadcast connectivity. Next we have PLI scheme, that is from Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. It supports manufacturing of telecommunication and networks products. Next we have Bharat 6G Alliance. It is a collaboration for advanced 6G technologies in India. What are the provisions of new telecommunication bill? In this, the first one is Digital Bharat Nidhi, and the second one is power of interception. It is to message between two or more persons for public safety. It ensures the communication between two people. Next, protection of the users, malware messages or reporting rights. Appointments in the TRI. There were less recruitments in TRI, so in order to make the provision more effective, there should be appointments of TRI. So next, the prior permission of center to establish or operate new telecom services in India. Next, assignment of spectrum. There should be auction on administrative basis. What is the significance of Telecommunication Bill 2023? It aims to replace the archaic laws, that is, the old laws. First one is Telegraph Act 1885 and the Wireless Telegraph Act 1933. This is the reason why there is an amendment in New Telecom Amendment Bill. Next, clarity on satellite broadband services. Decrease of executive power of discretion. Draft bill auction by administrative process. New bill administrative. This will be in the administrative process. Next, there is a new era of e-governance. In this, we can resolve the disputes by the means of online. Next, prevented over-regulation. No interference in OTT. Balanced press freedom. Accredited respondents. Next, though it has very much significance, it has got few challenges. There are potential misuse of executive. The executive may misuse the provisions under Telecom Amendment Bill 2023. Next, there is a right to privacy. As we have previously discussed, that the messages between the two persons can be accessed by government. This is actually a political concern with the bill. Next, ambiguity of the definition. The definition given by Telecom Amendment Bill is not yet clear. Absence of oversight mechanism clause. Need for biometric verification. Next, conflict with other acts like IT Act of 2000. So we need to as we are emerging technology, we need to upgrade our society from various aspects, like emerging from 4G to 5G and then to 6G, which helps in the development of the nation. So in order to conclude this, we can say that this bill actually respects the right to privacy, which is our fundamental right mentioned in the Article 21, which was held in Puttaswamy case. Next, it checks and balances the national security. Next, keeping pace with the global trends. As we have previously discussed, this it keeps pace with the global trends. It helps us develop in all the aspects in the economy. It also helps in the flexibility to amend as per the changing technology. Thank you.